Let f of x equal 12x squared minus 19x minus 21. Find x such that f of x equals 0. Well, what this means is to let f of x be 0 and solve for x. So we have 0 equals 12x squared minus 19x minus 21. Now this does factor, and I'm going to factor it, but if you can't see how to factor it, you can always use the quadratic formula. It factors into 4x plus 3 times 3x minus 7. We can use the principle of zero products since that equals 0 and set 4x plus 3 equal to 0, or we would need to have 3x minus 7 equal to 0. Solving this would give us x equals negative 3/4, or x equals 7/3. If we substituted, we would find that f of negative 3/4 equals 0 and f of 7/3 equals 0. So we can say that the solutions are negative 3/4 and 7/3.